Hey, it's Leah Ray from TaughtonLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively use Instagram stories to make sales for your affiliate marketing business. So Instagram stories started within the last few years, and they've really evolved since their first conception. It's really like a whole nother social media platform housed within Instagram. Instagram stories are actually really similar in many ways to the stories on Snapchat or even Facebook, though there is some really neat functionality that makes it unique and a great option for promoting your different offers. Now, exactly how to use your stories will really depend on the number of followers that you have. Before you reach 10,000 followers on Instagram, your call to action, what you want people to do, the next step you want them to take from a post will be to click the link in your bio or to message you, because you're not going to have another way to get them a clickable link. But once you have 10,000 followers or more, you unlock this awesome feature called Swipe Up, where people can swipe up on your story and you can send them off to a website. When you create your story, you just simply can insert a URL or a website into the story. When people swipe up, poof, they're taken off to whatever website you're trying to send them to. Now, obviously, this is a great feature because it makes it really easy for people to take that next step of going to your site. So you want to get to 10,000 followers as quickly as possible. Now, if you need to learn how to grow a targeted audience quickly to get to that 10,000, make sure that you join us for our upcoming free training where you're going to go through the A to Z of Instagram marketing so that you can unlock this feature ASAP. Just click the link as this video is ending. Just click it. It's at the top of the description so that you can get registered. Now, let's dive into the different types of posts and different ways you can make sales through stories. Number 8. Simply promote content. Say you have some YouTube videos or some blog posts that when people are going through the content, they get value, but they also get a promotion for whatever your offer is. Awesome. Simply promote those pieces of content through your Instagram story. Have them swipe up to access it, or put the link in your bio for the day, or just tell them to message you. This is a fun story that I did about teaching people the differences between an online job and an online business, and I told them to swipe up to access it. Simple. Here's another one where I simply used the thumbnail that I had created for YouTube, plugged it in as my story, and told them to swipe up to access it. Number 7. Answer a question from your audience or from a customer. Does this product come in environmentally responsible packaging? Now, obviously, you want to use it as an opportunity to highlight something that is favorable, that makes people want to purchase. Yeah, it comes in environmentally responsible packaging. Awesome. But tell them the answer and then tell them how to take that next step to swipe up or click on your bio or whatever that is so that they can purchase. Number 6. Provide FAQs. Have you heard a question more than once about your offer? Awesome. Add it to the FAQs, right? You can do an FAQ with several answers to it, or just take, title it FAQs, have a question and one answer, and that could be one story. Something simple like, is this gluten-free? Provide the answer and then give them a CTA of what to do to purchase. Number 5, testimonials. These can be super powerful and effective in helping people take the next step towards purchasing, especially if you're promoting a digital course. It's really cool. You can usually go to the sales pages on those digital courses, and they often have the testimonials sitting there right there for you to use. Here's a quick example of a story that I created that did just this. This was from Josette, who went through our Twitter webinar and got some great results. She gave us a testimonial. I grabbed a little screenshot of it. I put it together in a story, and then I use it to tell people to take the next step to get access to that webinar. This is another testimonial that we received for our free Facebook training that we provide. Just threw it together into a story, put it up there telling people what to do to take the next step and to get access to it themselves. Number 4, coupon codes or promotions. Stories are much more top of mind than the regular Instagram feed, and it's a great opportunity to let your audience know of any promotions or any coupon codes that they could use that day. Number 3, how-to tips that use your product. Say you're promoting Camtasia, a video editing software. You could do a story featuring a tip about the software and telling them how to learn more, giving them a CTA, a call to action. If you're promoting essential oils, provide a recipe for the allergy balm, telling them all the oils they need, and then telling them if they need to purchase these oils, what to do. Go to your bio link, message you, swipe up, whatever you do. Number 2, webinar invites. If you are leveraging webinars to make sales, Instagram Stories is a great way to invite people to check out your free webinars. This is an Instagram story that was really quick and simple to put together, and just telling people the benefit of what the webinar is going to be and what to do to get registered. And our final and number 1 way to make sales for Instagram Stories is Showing the product or service in use. Showing a sneak peek of the digital course behind the scenes, of the software in use, of the physical product that you're promoting. People love behind the scenes. It's a great method in general to use for stories, but especially when it comes to promoting a product that they're kind of already interested in, it is a great way to actually show them it in use. So when you log into that digital course, take a picture with yourself and the course behind, showing you using it, showing the video editing software, showing the mix that you're making of your essential oils that's going to relieve your chest cold. Whatever. Now feel free to rewind this or bookmark this video so that when you sit down and create your next Instagram story, you're going to actually be capitalizing on the real power of it and can start making some sales. Learning to use this powerful platform will definitely serve your business ongoing and continue to bring you sales. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you're new to our channel, make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to our community. I'll see you soon.